Get ready. It's Top That Trade. Joining us now, Alan Nuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at St. Paul Research, and Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor. Here we go, guys, with round number one. Bitcoin, baby. The crypto craze is about to get real with many Bitcoin futures launching in May. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin?
First of all, you're not missing out. There are plenty of bull markets. There's always opportunities, all right? The FOMO is starting to really set in, the fear of missing out. And you've seen this Bitcoin have a big move. You've seen other coins do as well. You've got Elon Musk talking and Mark Cuban, so forth. But the issue is going to be scarcity. And the fact is 90% of all Bitcoins are already in the marketplace, so there's only going to be a limited supply. The flow chart says that could mean that Bitcoin could be worth $1 million by 2025. Who knows if that's true, but I like the fact that it's going on the exchange with these mini Bitcoin futures.
I think what this says is that digital currencies are here. And, despite the fact that a lot of people dismissed them for years and years and years, they have to take them seriously. And it's not just about the currency, it's about the technology, the blockchain technology. It's about central banks realizing that the systems that they have in place may become antiquated, and that the platform that that gets that digital currency that they accept could be explosive. Will Bitcoin get to $1 million? Maybe, maybe not. But I will tell you this, that to ignore digital currencies, you're really ignoring the future.
Round number two, commodity comeback. What soft commodities do you buy, sell, or hold?
I'll tell you, the soft commodities look like laggards in a world where a lot of commodities are on fire right now. You look at the grain market is on explosive right now. You look at what's happened in copper and lumber and oil, and the grains have to go. Take a look at coffee, for example. I'm a big coffee drinker, but I'm concerned because it looks like that we're breaking out of a long downward channel, and you can't dismiss this fact. A couple of months ago, we were talking about the possibility of corn getting to $7. And I had people say, $7 or $8 on corn. You're crazy. Guess what? We got there already. And I'm afraid that we're going to see the same type of move on coffee, where we could see the price of coffee double or triple in the coming year. So buy a lot of coffee, put it in your freezer.
If you use the inflationator to take a look at those record highs back in the 70s, there's a long ways to go. Okay. I'll hold lumber because it's at $1,400, and just in case I need some lumber, I have to get them somewhere. I'll be buying orange juice because it's down here near the 100 level one more time, and sugar is at 2-month high. So I'll be holding, and I won't be selling. I'm not a seller. I'll buy puts if I think something's going to come down, and sugar's maybe the thing that could pull back.
Round number three, gas up. Shortages are expected this summer. Where does that drive prices at the pump?
The problem with gas is not going to be the unleaded gas or the oil itself. The problem is going to be the trucks to deliver it. The supply chains are all messed up, so there could be a lot of difficulty this summer. But think about what that means to somebody like FedEx or UPS or obviously you can see them at the airport, or any airline. The JETS ETF is rallied 100%. So that could be trouble for jets when they need that fuel.
I think from an investment viewpoint, I've been saying for some time, we're probably headed towards an energy shortage. Supply chains is part of the problem. The other problem is the lack of investment in the space. When prices crashed below zero last year, everybody thought they were going to stay below zero. And so we saw the biggest historic pullback in investment almost ever. And whenever that happens, believe it or not, we're not all going to be driving electric cars in the next 5 years, despite, some people's expectations. That means we're probably going to be into a new era of being undersupplied for oil for the next couple of years. So a very bullish scenario for oil prices and gas.
Here's your bonus round question for today. The Kentucky Derby is this weekend. Are the following true or false horse names? Superstock, Rock Your World, Hidden Stash.
Rock Stock, I think they're all true.
I'm going to agree with Phil, just for once.
Well, you guys go right into that winner's circle because you both answered correctly. Thanks so much. Business First AM continues right after this. Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.